Hi there! I am here to show you the actual video of using List Janitor that will help you manage and clean your email list. When you run or open your List Janitor application, you will see this on your screen. The upper part of the application is for the list that you will import. The middle part is the new feature of this product, and it shows the details regarding the status of the emails in the list that you selected after checking it on the play icon. And at the bottom part is for you to see the emails from the list you imported. Let's get started first by importing a list from your files. Just click the Import button here on the upper left corner of the screen. The list of files will appear and you may now select what list file you are going to import. So this is the file name. Next to it is the number of emails inside the file chosen, which is 19 from what I selected. And beside it is the description, which is the location of the file. Now when you click the file chosen, all emails in that file will appear here. To check if the emails are valid or not, click the Start Checking button or the play icon. Now your emails are getting checked, and you can see the green bar moving and showing how much time is left for checking. Now that the checking is done, you can see the status of the emails on the right side of the emails. It shows whether an email is valid, which is in green, or invalid and its reason why it is invalid in red. So here are some invalid reasons, like role word, could not read response, and no mail server on domain. You can also see on the upper part of the emails the specific number of valid, invalid, and unknown emails from your list. You can quickly see the emails that are valid or verified by clicking the Export button beside the Import button, then click the Export Valid to CSV or to text, and this will export only the valid mails to CSV file or text file. If you want to export the invalid mail for analysis or for some reason, you can click the Export Invalid to CSV or to text file. And if you want to export the entire list to CSV or text, just click this. So that is the incredibly quick and very accurate cleaning function of List Janitor. But that's not all. Another function of List Janitor is by using this tool. As you can see, its functions include merging or subtracting lists, finding common addresses, and finding addresses not included on the second list. Let's try to merge lists first. But let's import another file first in order to merge list. Then when you click Merge List, you can select the first list. For this example is Contact. Then the second list, New, to merge it with. Then make a new list name for the two. Then click OK. Now you will get a new list, and in this list are only all the unique email addresses from the two lists you selected. There is no duplicated addresses, and that is the power of List Janitor merging. For subtracting list, click Subtract List, choose a list file that you want to be subtracted. Again, for this example, I choose merge, then choose another file like this that you will subtract to it, then enter a new name. So I will put subtracted for the new name and then click OK. Now, as you can see, 30 are subtracted from the list and only 19 are counted in the new list. Suppose you have a product with hundreds of sales and you want to know who bought an upgrade and who didn't. With List Janitor, you can monitor that and even have the chance to offer buyers upgrades and new products. Another incredible function of List Janitor is the domain stats. Select a list and click on Domain Stats, the globe icon with the 3 W's in the middle, and this box will appear. You can see here how your email list is structured and exactly how much is in each domain. You can export a list for a particular domain by, for example, I want to keep a separate list that has a Gmail domain. I will click Gmail and click the Create Sublist. Then, I will get a sublist with all the particular Gmail IDs from my selected list. Next one is you make a sublist by count. Choose a list like this. Then click the icon for the sublist by count beside the domain stats icon. Change the start index with what number you want to start, for example from 1, then change the count to 10. Click Get and you will have 10 records from the main list, then click OK. Now, you have a new list that includes 10 records of email addresses from the main list you selected. In that way, you can segment lists into different portions, groups, different numbers, and you can import them and send them mails. Same goes for sublist for domain. If you want to have it based on the domain, and then the list of duplicates function is to make a separate list for all the duplicates in a particular list. Just select a list, then list of duplicates, click OK, then you will have a list of those emails with duplicates. The list by date range goes similarly like the list of duplicates. When you import a CSV file from an autoresponder and it has a sign update and using this option, you will be able to shortlist all the people who signed up for that certain date. Or you can also pick up any column from your CSV file and filter people according to what you are looking for, like filtering it to identify from what country they came from. These are the powerful functions of List Janitor, and I hope you understand and learn everything you need to know. This is a very useful tool for email marketing, making your email marketing role very strong and effective than you can ever imagine. When you use the List Janitor, it will help you be better in email targeting and will get you better response from the emails that you are receiving. And that is all. Thank you!